friends, I'm going to teach you the actions for the rhythm sticks with our Zoom, Zoom, Zoom song. Be sure to hold your rhythm stick steady and follow me in the video. For the countdown, we're going to tap from our head and just tap down like this as we count down. When we get to lift off, we're going to tap fast and lift off our rhythm sticks. Be sure to hold your rhythm stick steady and follow me in the video. When we sing the word zoom, we're going to put our sticks together and we're going to zoom across our body. Zoom, zoom, zoom. And then we're going to roll. We're going to the moon. After every action word, we're going to do the same pattern. We're going to tap down and tap center. Now the words change in every verse, but you'll always do that action. Down and tap. For the action word zap, we're going to tap at the end of our sticks. Zap, zap, zap. And then we're going to slide. There's an asteroid in our path. For boing, we're going to make big movements and tap both sticks down on the floor. Don't drop your sticks. Be sure to hold them tight. Ready? Boing! 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 For the action word digga, we're going to tap our left and right sticks, our right and left sticks separately from each other, one at a time. Down, 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 down. Like we're digging in the dirt. On the action word roar, we're going to tap in a circle. Roar! Roar! Thanks for watching our rhythm stick video. You're doing a great job.